So, how to ship on Whatnot? You probably made your first sales and you want to know how to ship on Whatnot. So, make sure to watch this video till the end to know how to do it. First, you have to open your seller Whatnot account and then click on profile picture, and after that click on shipments. And then we come to this page. You can see the orders, the unfulfilled orders, the listing, the bundles, the value, weight and dimension. Make sure to check them out and they are correct. And then we have to check the default label options. Make sure the default label options is okay. The shipping labels, the packing slips, the sizes are true. And then all you need to do is click on this checkbox to select all. You can actually manually, check every box, but I suggest you to just click on this. And then when all your items and all your orders are selected, you have to click on generate labels, and then you see this page. Are you sure you want to generate 2 labels? Because we actually had 2 orders, we can actually generate 2 labels. You have to choose the label size and then create on generate all labels, and then the labels are generated. You can see the tracking, USPS priority and the status, ready to ship, and etc. Then you have to click on export shipping labels / slips. And after that, you see this page that says choose which material to include in the PDF. You can actually choose shipping labels, packing slips. I suggest you to actually check all the boxes and then click on view and print PDF. And after that, you can see the shipping actions. You just need to click on print shipping labels, and then the shipping labels actually come out and you have to print it with a printer. I'll show you in the next video the best printers for Whatnot, and then you have to actually stick it to your box and send it to your customer. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video.